This is Tiny1121H2, the fastest Tiny11 build ever, optimized for gaming and high-performance systems for 2026. Today, we see just how fast it can go. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Windows 11. The Start menu is overloaded. It has pins you'll never use and comes with 36 apps you don't need. All that clutter slows you down and gets in the way of what matters. Now take a look at Tiny1121H2. The Start menu is simple and tidy, no unnecessary pins or apps, while Defender and Microsoft Store remain fully functional. A clean Windows 11 installation uses roughly 32.4 gigabytes before you install anything. Much of that space is taken by background services, features, and apps you'll never use. Storage disappears quickly. Tiny1121H2, on the other hand, uses just about 5 gigabytes, 1/8 the size. No clutter, no unnecessary apps, no wasted space. It's ideal for devices with limited storage. The question we get most often is RAM usage. On a 4 gigabyte system, Windows 11 sits at around 2.3 gigabytes when idle. Tiny1121H2, right after installation, uses about 1.4 gigabytes, nearly a full gigabyte less. With Velotic, you can reduce it further to around 900 megabytes, or convert your current Windows 11 into Tiny11 with a single click. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny11. Open Velotic, go to the Debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. Let's take a look at CPU usage and background activity. Windows 11 runs roughly 150 processes, more than 2,000 threads, and around 61,000 handles. Even at idle, it's performing tasks you don't really need. Tiny1121H2, by comparison, runs only 103 processes, 1,074 threads, and about 34,000 handles. It removes unnecessary background services while keeping all essential processes intact. The outcome? Your CPU is freed up to focus on the tasks you actually care about, gaming and demanding tasks. Now, let's check Geekbench 6 performance. But first, a little intro about us. We are the very first creator of Tiny11. We released Tiny11 in 2021, just 1 week after Windows 11's developer release. Most of you may also be aware of NT Dev's version released in 2023, but Tiny11 came out well before that. Our Tiny11 builds are designed for safe, daily use. They are fully tested for security and stability, so you can run them without worrying about hidden risks that sometimes appear in other third-party builds. Here are the Geekbench 6 scores on the same system. Windows 11, 2,270 single-core, 5,872 multi-core. Tiny11 has a noticeable jump in performance, higher efficiency, faster processing, and more headroom for multitasking and applications. Even on identical hardware, Tiny11 gets more done without compromising stability or security. If you want to try it yourself, check the pinned comment for the link to Tiny1121H2. After the benchmark, Tiny1121-2 scores 2,570 single-core, 7,212 multi-core, the highest you've ever on Tiny11 on this system. Now, let's cover Windows Defender. Some users rely on it, some prefer third-party antivirus. and others disable it because of false alerts. Tiny 11 puts you in control. Defender is off by default, but you can turn it on whenever you want. Open the Configure toolbox, go to the Windows Defender section, and click Enable. It will start protecting your system instantly, simple, fast, and fully controlled by you. Next up is Windows updates. By default, Tiny 11 pauses updates. This means Windows won't install anything automatically unless it's a critical security update. If you want updates active, open the Settings app, go to Updates, and turn them on. The system will then stay fully up to date. You can also disable updates entirely through the Configure app, but I don't recommend it. Turning them off completely can cause Microsoft Store and other key features to stop working. Now, let's talk about the Microsoft Store. It works just like on any standard Windows build, as long as updates are turned on. Tiny 11 comes with no pre-installed apps, so you can add essentials like Notepad, Calculator, or Snipping Tool. Search for the app you want, click Get, and it installs automatically. Simple and easy. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account to access all your purchased apps and games without issues. And just like that, Snipping Tool is installed and ready to use. Fast, smooth, and hassle-free. Tiny 11 21H2 Premium, designed for maximum performance, privacy, and complete peace of mind. No slowdowns, no unnecessary apps, just clean, reliable Windows that runs fast. Free builds can carry hidden malware. Tiny 11 Premium gives you safety, stability, and ongoing support you can count on. The clear choice for anyone who wants speed, security, and a worry-free PC experience. Thanks for watching. This is the Harbor of Tech, sailing off.